Hi guys, Kevin here. Today we're diving into the best facility management software you should know about in 2025. Managing large or complex facilities, whether it's hospitals, schools, office buildings, or retail chains, is no longer something you can handle with spreadsheets alone. Poorly tracked equipment, underused spaces, and missed maintenance deadlines can cost businesses thousands or even lead to regulatory headaches. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top software picks that can help you stay organized, stay compliant, and save money. First off, facility management software is important because it can save organizations a lot of money. Research shows that good space management can cut operating costs by up to 30%. That's a big deal. And with facilities getting more complex, you need tools that go beyond just tracking square footage. These tools can help manage leases, automate work orders, handle maintenance, and even find ways to make extra revenue from your space. Let's take a look at some of the best options for 2025 across different industries. Arion is a great option for commercial real estate companies that manage lots of properties. Its lease management tools keep all your important documents, contracts, and financial details in one place. It makes it easy to track things like pricing periods, payment terms, or extra services like parking and cleaning. What's great is that Arion sends automatic reminders for lease renewals, inspections, and maintenance tasks. This helps property managers stay on top of things and avoid expensive mistakes. Pricing starts at about $3,500 per year and increases depending on the number of properties you manage. For a more flexible option, FMS Workplace could be worth checking out. It offers modular pricing, so you only pay for the features you need. Next, let's talk about education. Schools and universities are finding new ways to use their spaces by renting them out for community events. But handling all those reservations can get messy fast. That's where FMX helps. Its reservation finder makes it easy to manage bookings for spaces like classrooms, auditoriums, and gyms. You can show detailed floor plans, set capacity limits, and even allow the public to make reservations straight from your website. All the bookings go into a shared calendar, so there are no double bookings or scheduling problems. One thing to note is that the reservation tool works best on desktop. The mobile version isn't as smooth to use. FMX pricing is quote-based, but it typically starts at around $3,000 per year. Costs depend on the number of users, features, and the size of the school. Now let's talk healthcare. In hospitals, clinics, and senior care centers, keeping patients safe is a must, and following the rules is essential. Brightly the Works Hub is a great choice for these settings. It's designed to meet healthcare standards with tools like compliance reports and safety checks that follow Joint Commission rules. Plus, it makes things easier by adding compliance codes directly into maintenance tasks. This way, technicians know exactly what they need to do to meet the right standards. Pricing is between $50 and $100 per month, based on the number of users and features, which works well for small to mid-size healthcare facilities. ServiceChannel, best for retail. Finally, in the retail space, managing high-value equipment across multiple locations can get overwhelming. ServiceChannel helps simplify this with its Asset Manager tool, which uses QR codes and NFC tags to track equipment like HVAC systems and refrigeration units. You can scan assets using the mobile app to pull up warranty details, service history, and even create work orders on the spot. You can also configure the system to automatically assign technicians, cutting down on scheduling mistakes. Pricing is quote-based, but usually starts at around $1,000 per month, making it best suited for mid to large retailers. All right, that wraps up our top picks for the best facility management software of 2025. And if you're still unsure which one fits your needs, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more software insights. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.